Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Arif Ravi. Today I am going to cook Spanish omelette with US egg and whole wheat multigrain bread. Spanish omelette is a traditional dish from Spain and one of the signature dishes in the Spanish cuisine. It's an omelette made with egg, potato and onion. It's often served at room temperature as a tapas, or you can serve as a main course along with some salad. Today I am going to show you how to make tapas as well as the main course. Thank you, let's start. Here are the ingredients for a Spanish omelette: 3 US eggs, half brown onion, 3 potatoes and some salt. Whisk the US egg with salt and keep it aside. Slice the US potato evenly and keep it aside. The pan is hot now. We need to drop the potato. Add the salt and the onion now and cook it through. And potatoes are almost cooked, so we need to saute another 5 more minutes. The potatoes are ready now. We're going to strain the oil from the potato. Keep the potato aside. We strained the potatoes. Already we strained the potatoes. We are going to put it together. This is the excess oil we can use for something else. There you go. That's it. Add the US egg mixture into the potatoes and mix it well. Okay, now the pan is hot now. We can add the mixture. Gently save the omelette with a spatula. The omelette has cooked one side. Flip over, cook it another 4 minutes. Carefully bring back the omelette to the pan. Keep cooking slowly, shaping the edges with a spatula. The egg is ready now. So what we're going to do, we're going to flip it one more time. The omelette is ready now. Rest it for a while. Here are the ingredients for the whole wheat bread: 3 gram of chia seeds, 3 gram of multi-cereal, 3 gram of white sesame, 4 gram of yeast, 110 ml of water, 186 whole wheat flour, 2 gram of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients together except the salt. Mix the yeast and the warm water together and keep it aside. Mix the yeast water into the flour mixer. Mix it until it gets sticky dough. Knead the dough until it gets smooth. Add the olive oil, mix it another 2 more minutes. The dough is ready now. Add olive oil top of the dough. Cover with a clean wrap. Rest it for about 30 minutes. Remove the dough from the bowl and knead for about 10 to 15 minutes. Save the dough into a loaf. Rest it for another 30 minutes. Score the dough with a knife. Sprinkle some water, add some multigrain cereals and sprinkle some olive oil. Bake it at 180 for 35 minutes. The bread is ready now. Take it out and cool it for a while. Okay, we're going to slice the bread. Breads are ready now. Add the olive oil on top of the sliced bread. Rub the tomato and garlic and leave it for a while to enhance the flavor. Slice the omelette into a small triangles. Place it onto the marinated bread. Serve it at room temperature.